Have you ever clicked on an accordion card only to find it doesn't scroll you to the top of the active card? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the issue of scrolling to the top of an active Bootstrap 4 accordion card on click. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your accordion doesn't behave as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when transitioning to Bootstrap 4. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked how to make their Bootstrap 4 accordion scroll to the top of the active card when clicked. They mentioned that with the new card structure, they couldn't get the JavaScript to work as it did in Bootstrap 3. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? With Bootstrap 4's switch from panels to cards, the structure has changed, and that means our JavaScript needs to adapt as well. We'll break it down step by step so you can get it working. And don't go anywhere. I've got a handy tip at the end that will help you streamline your accordion functionality even further. To implement the scroll to top functionality for the active card in the Bootstrap 4 accordion, the user should start by adding a jQuery event listener. This listener will trigger when a card header is clicked. Next, the user needs to check if the card is currently expanded. This can be done by checking if the card's collapse element is visible. If the card is not expanded, the user should then animate the scroll to the top of the card. This involves using jQuery's animate function to scroll the page. Finally, the user should ensure that the complete code is structured correctly. This includes wrapping the logic in a single function to maintain clarity and functionality. Fun fact, did you know that Bootstrap was originally created by Twitter developers? It's amazing how far it's come and how it continues to evolve. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution was provided by another user. They adjusted the original code to target the collapsed content instead of the card header. Their working solution uses the collapse event to scroll to the active card when it is shown. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure your JavaScript is loaded after the Bootstrap library in your HTML. This can prevent many common issues. And there you have it. Your Bootstrap 4 accordion should now scroll to the top of the active card on click. Remember, keeping your code updated with the latest Bootstrap changes is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Bootstrap features.